Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see what is V0.dev and how it works and those kind of things. This is an AI tool which will build the applications using React.js and Next.js and Chartcn UIs and those things. And once we give the prompt, it will generate the application without any kind of code that we need to write. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to type the v0.dev site, and then we will be asking for sign up or sign into the application. So I already have the account, so I'm going to sign in. If you don't have the account, you just sign up and you can able to log into this one. And here you can see the library, projects, and new chat and all those things options will be available. So previously I have tried with a lot of other kind of things, so they are all here. So I'm just going to create a new project for this demonstration purpose, and I'm going to use the project name as to do app. So first, if we are going to build a application, that to do application using this v0.dev. So I'm going to give a prompt for this. Can you create a simple to do application? So I'm just asking the AI to create the application. So once we click on this button, it will start the thinking, and then it will generate some codes and code base for this particular project. So it is saying that it is generating the application using React and Next.js, and it will add the toggle and delete tasks button as well. So it is still writing the code. You can see the page.tsx is already written, and it is trying to preview that page for us. Yeah, so right now it is showing that to do app, and it is giving us one field for the add new to do and add button. So let's try this one. So I'm just vegetables. Right now it is showing the UI with the Chartcn components, and it is having the one checkbox as well as the delete icon. So once I click on this checkbox, it is doing this thing, and it is marking as completed. And then once we click on this delete button, is deleting the to do app. Let's go and check the code that it has been written. So in this page.cx in this page.csx file, in the code we can able to see this is inside the page.csx file, and inside that it is using the React use state and some kind of lucid chart from the plus and trash to icons, and also the buttons from the Chartcn and the input from the Chartcn and all those things from the Chartcn. And it is also created two constant variables, which is to do's and a new to do's. To do's is the array type, and the new to do is the object, the string or kind of type. And then it is having one function called to do. So in this function, it is appending the to do's to the to do's to the to do's array, and setting the new to do to the empty string. And also it is while we are checking the inbox checkbox, it is marking it as completed. And the to do interface, we can see the id is number and text is string, and completed is the boolean. So whether it is completed or not can be used by this variable, that completed variable. And also the entire HTML has been written in this way, and the form, it is using the form tag. Inside that form tag, we have the input and the button and the classes for that. It is using the tailwind css, I guess. By using this tailwind css and Chartcn components, pretty much the entire application was built upon this one, and we are getting this one. if you want to change or rename something inside this one, we can able to use this select button, and I'm just selecting this to do app. Can you change this title to AB tools, like that. If you want to change anything inside this one, you can able to select this select option, and then you can click on that particular option, and then it will try to restructure the application, and it is show it to you like this is the one which we have requested, this one. And also if you want to change the button name and the placeholder of this particular thing, you can able to change this one. And also you can able to directly deploy this application into Vercel. This is basically like incorporating the Vercel platform. So it is already included the Vercel platform in this, and whatever the it is showing the code and everything was written inside the Vercel, and it is having the code base. Once we click on this one, you can able to download it as zip, or else you can able to like copy this command and add it to your application. By this command, you just need to create one more application code inside that, and then it will copy all this code inside this one. Or else you can, if you want to just one page, you can able to copy like this way, and you can able to download, and all those things will be there. So right now we are going to deploy directly into the Vercel. So once we click on this deploy and confirm and deploy, it will integrate the Vercel platform in this, and it will directly deploy that application, and we will soon get a URL for that. So if you have any kind of other integrations like database and those things, you can able to always give the environment credentials for this application, and then it will bind those things inside this one. And if you have the API also, you can able to make use of APIs, and you can able to ask those things inside the chart. So right now it has been deployed, and the status is now ready. So once we click on this URL, so now you are going to see this URL. This is the public URL, and we can able to like add to this testing app, and tested app, and we can able to like this it will goes on. And if you want to like complete it, we can able to make use of all the things. And I will show you like Vercel also. So once we go inside the Vercel app, so right now this is the application that we have just deployed. So inside that, if you go, so here it is showing the deployments of this one. Right now we just deployed it 25 seconds ago, and it is showing that all those things. And if you want to attach any domains or like that, you can able to attach add domain. Click on add domain, and you can able to edit this domain as well. For example, if I just change the name to, if it is available, it will always give you the name, and if it is not available, it will try to like rename those things. I'm just giving my application name, and so we can able to change like this way. It has domain, and we can able to add that domain to this one. Those things are like already there. We can able to make use of this domain. Yeah, thank you. And if you want to know how we can able to like deploy this code into our code base, by using this command, you just let me know in the comments. And please like and share and subscribe this channel. It will make me encourage to do more videos. Thank you.